This is the final task you're going to be doing for the word processing course, task 6, which is file management. So let's scroll down to the navigation, click on file management, and we're going to open it to see what we need to do. So it'll describe what you have to do, but the first thing you need to do is download this file here. See the way it says doc and there's a little paperclip? Click on file management and it will open up a document that you're going to be working from. It has all of the headings of the things you're going to be putting in underneath each of the headings. So they're print screens. So you're using Windows Shift S to print screen the things that you're asked to do there. So we're going to go into My Files and College folder. And the first thing we're going to do is take a snip of all of our subfolders in the college folder, making sure to include my name, or your name, sorry, on the edge over here on the top left, all the way over to modified by. You don't even need to go that far yet, just about there. So remember, it's Windows Shift S, you draw, then you let go, and then we're going to put that into the file management file under college folder showing module folders. Next, we're going to do the cow folder, so click where we want that to go back into the OneDrive, go to our college folder, word processing, cow folder. So it's showing all the different kinds of files. We have a video file, Word file, PDF, so that's great. We need to show all the different kinds of file types that we can make. Again, Windows Shift S, draw only over as far as your name, making sure you're including the breadcrumb trail at the top. Clicking back into the Word document, clicking underneath cow folder title, and Control V to paste it in. The next thing we need to do is copy folder. So we're going to go back out into the word processing folder by clicking above. There's the cow folder we're going to be copying. So the 3 dots here, you click on that, you press copy to, and before you press copy here, you need to do a snip to show, look, I'm able to copy a folder. So you do a snip, you paste it, and you go back in and say copy here and give it a second, and there you go, the copy exists there. So you need to do a print screen of the copy. So look, I made 2. Again, ensure you've got modified by your name included in your print screen. And then just click underneath the last picture you pasted and Control V. The next thing we're doing is rename a file. So the file we're going to be renaming is the recipe one. So that one there. So let's get the recipe. It's the one at the end, table recipe. So let's click on the 3 dots and choose rename. Before we hit update, we're going to do a print screen showing I can get the menu up for renaming a file. Paste that in, then go back, rename it, chocolate brownie recipe, and then press update. And then you need to show the result of your rename, which is there. So let's just do a quick print screen. Look, I renamed it. Click, paste, Control V again, back into your document. Very last thing we're doing is file details or file properties. Oh no, sorry, it's the second last thing. So we're going to go back into our OneDrive. Again, go to that recipe, 3 dots, choose details down the very bottom. And then okay, it might need time to reload, and then you scroll to the very bottom, and this is the bit I want you to snip, where it says the type of file, modified, date created. That's all the metadata behind the file whenever you create one. So you're going to take a snip of that, either the whole thing there and paste that in, or you could just do a snip of the side menu, that's fine too. Again, you're clicking where you want it to go. on this page before you press paste. Last thing is searching for a file. So we go back in this time to our OneDrive, click on My Files. Click on My Files, and then up in the search bar you're going to type in recipe, and then make sure it says My Files at the end there, so it's only searching your files. And you're just showing any folder or file that was ever made in your files that has the word recipe is displayed below. So you're just proving you're able to search for a file. So snip that and pop it in. And then you're done. Your whole file management document is done.